Damn. We got a whole lot of orange cars here. You want some, boy?
This my shit. Oh, tell her you're not my bitch. This my shit. Oh, tell her get off my dick. Digi dash, nitro gas. Time is passing, quick. I just want tonight to last. Life go fast, it tick.
You pussies ready to lose a race?
So this was kind of a spur of the moment sort of thing. I walked next door, Gavin and Doug are about to race, and Gavin straight up just says, hey, you won't come race with us, no balls. So you're coming to race?
You're gonna finally get your one wish of comparing your car and my car.
I mean, I know that I'm gonna be the slowest one, but I'm gonna try my hardest.
You're gonna give it a go, huh?
Yeah, I'm gonna give it a go. We're gonna get going, and I'll give you an update on what each of these vehicles has done to it, and hopefully this will be at least somewhat entertaining. The only thing done to this car is a Corsa Sport catback. Still got stock headers, still got cats, stock intake, stock tune, stock wheels and tires. It's got 1-inch spacers on it, so I guess that's another thing that keeps it from being stock. But yeah, this is the slowest vehicle. I don't know why I gave in to peer pressure and why I said I'd come race, but I guess fuck it, whatever. We'll run with it. Damn. We got a whole lot of orange cars here. So as you can see, Gavin's old Camaro is right there. He picked up a ZL1 1LE to replace his Pro-Charged Camaro SS. He's actually giving away that Pro-Charged Camaro SS. So if you want to go get entered to win, you can go to www.dls.store. That's also pretty cool too. Wow, it's weird for me to talk about all these things because like none of this shit's mine. I don't ever talk about these things. But Gavin got a ZL1 1LE. I'm gonna stay on track this time. That car is bone stock. The only thing that has been done to that car is putting on different rear tires, because those cars surprisingly actually come with like a 325 or 315 wide rear tire from factory, and they're racing tires. I think they're like Falcon or Eagle F1s. I don't remember the exact name of the tire, but in cold temperatures they don't hook in the slightest. So they actually swapped on an R888R, which should be a lot better for it. Yep, it looks like he's still spinning, but that car makes a good bit of power. On top of the ZL1, you got Doug's Stage 2, which is literally full bolt-on and tune on E85. Full bolt-on and tune, meaning he's got long tube headers, he's got a Roush catback, that's stock, but they're still pretty decent exhaust, it's straight piped. He's on E85. He has a ported manifold and ported throttle body, and also a different intake, I think. And he's actually got, I think, intake cams in that car too. And I think it made 455, 465 wheel horsepower. This car makes 460 horsepower to the crank, which is not anywhere near as 460 horsepower to the wheels. Doug's car makes 460 to the wheels. This makes 460 to the crank, which should theoretically be about 420, 415 to the wheel, something like that. So this car is at the biggest disadvantage, which means that I'm probably gonna have to just go on 2. I'm just gonna have to get the jump. I'm gonna be cheating my ass off trying to get ahead, but in reality, it shouldn't be an issue for them because they're gonna pass me up. So anyways, we're on our way to Mexico right now. These are gonna be some pretty interesting races, and I'll see you whenever we get there. I'm just chasing. Are they gonna go? Damn, Doug, you gonna miss third. let's see how this thing does then. You want some, boy? 50? Faster than this car. I'll stick to racing Doug. I don't have a chance on that one.
We're gonna see if we can't give Daniel his 40 roll that he requested. Neck and neck through that entire thing.
That's pretty crazy.
Wow.
I didn't expect that.
Me either. Wow.
Doug's gotta be pissed.
Holy shit. Daniel is not a no driving motherfucker, actually.
All right, so I guess we're seeing the difference between a Stage 2 Roush full bolt-on tune E85 with cams and a pretty much stock 2018. It's really cool to see the differences between these two cars because whenever they made the 2018s, they actually switched to direct port injection or direct injection. That's close.
Yeah, 40 rolls bottom of second for me. I was at like a little less than 4,000.
Yeah.
So it's kind of out of my power band. But I was telling all of our watchers here, all our viewers. Yeah, I'm vlogging over here. You can laugh.
Yeah, your car's definitely faster. You can see the difference in like 20 or 30 horsepower. Yeah, y'all can go ahead because I know how it is between me and everybody else. I'm the slow one. I'm gonna be coming for that ass at some point. These races were interesting. I knew before we even started that the ZL1 would be taking off in front of me. That car is fast. Like, that's not even a secret. That car is quick, but honestly, it's just a great car all around too. I've ridden in it and it is a work of art. Absolutely stunning. It is beautiful. Doug's Roush, he took out his passenger seat and his back seats. He's full bolt-on and tune with long tube headers, full exhaust, intake, ported everything, and cams. So that car should be pretty quick, but I'm surprised at how well this car actually kept up with that one. I was expecting that car to just freight train, like fucking leave out, not even in existence. I didn't even expect to even compare it to this car. I didn't expect these two cars to be compared in the slightest. So I will say I am 100% pleased. I am very happy with how this turned out. And I will say now, we got a lot to do with this car. Oh, I'm gonna break this transmission at some point. I am absolutely about to blow out this transmission. I don't know when it's gonna happen, but it's gonna happen. Good thing it's under warranty. Woo! That was actually one of the reasons why I was really looking forward to getting this car. I was between a Camaro and a Mustang, ended up getting a 2018 Mustang. But anyways, that's one of the reasons why I'm actually enjoying this car so much, is because with it being bone stock, it is awesome that it comes with a 60,000 mile drivetrain warranty. So if you break a drive shaft, you break an axle, break a diff, you blow the transmission, like anything, if anything goes wrong, it's under warranty and it gets replaced. So like, yeah, third gear is actually grinding a little bit whenever I shift, especially whenever I'm really getting into it. But, I got another 40,000 miles to worry about that thing going out. But that's far in the future, probably like 2 years from now. Ooh, can't wait to gap that Z01 in the future, boy. You don't even have a fucking chance. You don't even know what's coming. Actually, he does know what's coming. Gavin's actually been giving me a shit ton of things that I need to do to this car, because he's already had Mustangs for a while. He's got a Hellhorse twin turbo kit on a GT350. Honestly, this car probably will get twin turboed at some point, but I don't know for sure because it hadn't happened yet. But anyways, it's something I'm looking into. But I guess that's about it for now. I guess we're just gonna go ahead and mosey on back to the shop and we'll catch up with everybody.